Welcome to Fethiye, a destination that is more than just beautiful. Uncover a treasure trove of nature's finest works, where clear turquoise waters meet golden beaches and majestic mountains stand as silent guardians. This is Fethiye, a serene haven that commands admiration and evokes a sense of wonder in every nature lover. Its landscapes are more than picturesque, they're a symphony of natural elements, harmoniously intertwined. This visual masterpiece is just the beginning of what Fethiye has to offer. Fethiye is a living testament to history and culture. Here, ancient ruins stand tall, whispering tales of centuries past, while vibrant markets bustle with life and color, offering a snapshot of the city's rich cultural tapestry. As you wander through the labyrinthine streets, you'll find a seamless blend of past and present, where every stone, every archway, every mosaic has a story to tell. In Fethiye, history doesn't just come alive, it breathes, it thrives, it pulses with life. Fethiye is where history comes alive and every corner tells a story. For those seeking thrills, Fethiye is your playground. This city is not just about serene landscapes and historical wonders, but also about heart-pounding adventure. Picture yourself soaring high with paragliding, the wind in your hair, the turquoise sea beneath, or hiking the ancient Lycian Way, every step echoing with millennia of history, or discovering hidden coves on a boat tour, each one a secret paradise. The adrenaline rush in Fethiye is a promise, not a possibility. In Fethiye, every day is a new adventure waiting to be experienced. Fethiye is a feast for the senses, especially when it comes to food. This city offers a gastronomical adventure, boasting an array of fresh seafood and Turkish delicacies. From the succulence of grilled fish to the sweet allure of baklava, the diverse culinary scene mirrors Fethiye's cultural richness. Here, traditional recipes passed down through generations meet modern culinary innovation, creating a symphony of tastes that never fail to tantalize. In Fethiye, every meal is a journey into a world of flavors. When the sun sets, Fethiye transforms into a magical wonderland. The gentle whispers of the evening breeze carry the lively melodies from the bustling cafes and bars. The city, under a canopy of stars, dances in an enchanting rhythm of life. The aroma of freshly brewed Turkish tea mingles with the night air, enticing you into cozy cafes. The lively bars resonate with laughter and music, promising a night of fun and camaraderie. As the day ends, Fethiye proves that its beauty truly knows no bounds. Fethiye, Turkey's hidden paradise, has so much to offer. From its pristine beauty to its rich history, thrilling adventures, culinary delights, and vibrant nightlife, it truly is a top-tier tourist destination. We hope this journey has inspired you to discover the magic of Fethiye for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories from around the world. We can't wait to take you on our next adventure. Until our next journey, happy exploring!